guys, welcome to this special video edition. Today I want to show you a therapy that will help you relax. The recipe I'm making, I call it citrus milk. It is what will help you to relax no matter the kind of job you have done in the day. Maybe you're an office worker that sits up all through the day, bankers, or you are even working at the site where you carry bricks and all that. No matter the nature of the hard work you have done in the day, if you can take this recipe every night, it will not only make you sleep well, it will restore your strength and it will renew you. And if you take this therapy for 1 month, your skin will be shining like my own. Can you see I'm shining? That's why I'm wearing this, so that you can see that I am really what I want to show you. Okay, so follow me. Now, these are the ingredients we need. We need oranges. Here I have 5 oranges, medium size oranges. I have 1 tin milk, pig milk or any milk of your choice. Okay, then inside this bottle is not soft drink. What I have here is I juiced lemon, but this is not lemon juice. What this is I washed and boiled the back. After cutting the lemon and juicing it, I boiled that back. This is what you have from that. It's not lemon juice, it's the back that I've boiled, not the peel. You know, I just cut it and juice it. So the back is what I boiled here. Then of course I have my juicer and I have my filter to make it very smooth and tasty. And okay, my knife. So you just cut all of them like this. I've cut it now like this. Okay, the next thing we are going to do is that we are going to juice all of them. So like this. If this is too small, we can get a bigger bowl and use it, but this is okay. We can juice it very well. Yeah, you can juice it this way. Yes, it's effective, or you can juice it this way. Whichever way you prefer, you can juice it like this. Then what you do is you do this. You can see it. Can you see it? So you can juice it like this. So alright, so I've juiced my 5 oranges here, and then I just want to make sure that I don't have any single fiber, so I filter with I sieve with my filter like this. Okay, so this is what I got from my extract. You see, I use pure natural orange juice, no addition of color, no sugar, nothing, natural. Next is I want to add my milk to it. This is a therapy that every wife should make for their husband, every mother should make for her children, and even for herself. Okay, so it's interesting part of this. I want you to see. Watch it closely as I add my milk to my citrus. Now this is it. You can see that reaction. Now focus that video on the reaction. I want them to see the reaction. You can see it. Can you see it? Bring the video closer. It's part of what I'm doing. You can see it. Can you see it? Can you see it? Yeah. Now this cup is small because I wanted to finish this milk. So get me a spoon. I will stir it and you will see it. When you gulp it, you will gulp the whole of it. And then, oh, I'm still going to add my lemon, but let me get okay, I turn it here so that I can get what I want. Yeah, okay, this is it. Now you can see it. You can see it. I'm going to add more milk to it. good. Then I'm going to add my lemon extracts. It's not going to be much because this is lemon, of course, you know. Lemon is very, very active. So just this is okay. Now, children need this, adults need this. In children, it will help them to boost their immunity. This is it. Now, I wish you can come and taste this, what I've done here. Now, this, I'll help you to taste it, okay? Now, this is it. Right now, I feel like sleeping off. I tell you the truth. You have to practice. Try it. Try it at home. God bless you. So, bye. We'll come again with another recipe. Bye-bye.